Hello, friends. You're watching Lindsay TV. We're back again with Dave Hollingsworth, real estate lawyer with Goldberg Stroud. Dave, we've talked about buying a house. We've talked about buying a condo. What about selling a house? What does the lawyer do in that case?
Well, again, the lawyer is responsible to make sure that his or her client gets their name off title to the property,
right,
to make sure that all of their obligations toward the property end on the closing date.
Okay. And so on the closing date, do you actually collect the funds for the purchase?
Yes, we do. What we do is we make sure that our client brings in the keys, signs over a number of documents, including the deed, and then in exchange for the keys and in exchange for signing the deed, we make sure that all of the funds come to us for the purchase of the home or for the sale of the home.
Okay, so what do you do with that money?
Well, one of the jobs of the seller's lawyer is to, usually if there's a mortgage still on the property, one of the things that the lawyer will do was order a discharge statement from the bank to make sure that the sale funds go to pay off any existing mortgage,
okay,
and then any other encumbrances on the land, and then usually the remainder would go to the seller.
Okay, and what about, people talk about adjustments on closing. What are some typical adjustments that you might see?
One of the most common adjustments would be for property taxes.
People have prepaid their property taxes?
Exactly. In Ottawa, property taxes, usually a bill comes out in February and is due in March, and then another bill comes out in May and is due in June for the rest of the year. So if you buy in August, odds are that the person selling to you has already paid the taxes for the whole year, so you may have to pay, or you do have to pay your per diem rate from August to December, and you pay that on closing.
Okay, and so as the seller's lawyer, you prepare the deed, you discharge the seller's mortgage, you provide the keys to the buyer's lawyer.
Yep.
And,
exactly, and we provide the statement of adjustments.
And the statement of adjustments.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, Dave. That's been helpful.